all the lights, please. You comfortable with that? Do you want me to help you with the slide transition?
No. Shall we start? Hi all. Good evening. I am Thiru. I am coming from Zogo Show team. Today I am going to talk about Zogo Show. Zogo Show is an online presentation tool that can be used by anyone with Zogo account. You can use Zogo Show to create a presentation and access them anywhere and anytime using browsers and internet connection. This is the mantra of Zogo Show: build a presentation software people can't live without. This is the mantra. What is the advantage of using Zogo Show? First of all, this is not based on desktop-based presentation tool. It's an online presentation tool. It's the main advantage of Zogo Show. Why I said this is the main advantage? Because you think you have one desktop-based presentation tool. You created one presentation. You forgot to bring that presentation during presentation time. What you do? You can't do anything. So if you use Zogo Show, you can do your presentation and that time. And collaboration. If you working on a presentation with more than one person, Zogo Show you can use Zogo Show real-time collaboration feature. This feature allows more than one person to edit your presentation. These are the advantages of Zogo Show. Coming up, we will see that and basic edit, file, insert, design, transition, animation, view, and share. I will talk about these topics. And first, basic edit. Basic edit is nothing but Zogo Show offers a variety of text formatting. You can make your text bold, italicized, and indent text, and you can also add text boxes with move around using drag and drop option, and you can include bullets and numeric lists. These are the basic edits. File. You can import and export files. Anyone know what is the import except?
So maybe if I have a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, I can import it to Zogo Show.
Yes, right. If you have a example, she said she have one MS PowerPoint presentation. He like to see that presentation in Zogo Show or working on that presentation using Zogo Show. You can you use import option. You can see that presentation in Zogo Show, and you can if you like to see our team presentation in other presentation tool, you use export option. You can see that presentation in other presentation tool, and you can print your presentation using print option.
Sorry to interrupt. I thought I'll not ask you questions, but since you are engaging the audience, I'm going to interrupt. Whenever you ask the meaning of a word, it's my belief that when I explain what the word is, I should not use the same word in the meaning. For example, you asked her what import is. She said, if I have a Microsoft PowerPoint, I can import it to Zogo Show. my belief is that I can't explain what import is by using the word import itself. So can you treat me like an idiot and give me a simpler explanation of what import is?
Okay.
I don't know anything, okay? I don't know what you mean by import export. So how will you make me understand? Very good. Just love this.
Just to think, this is the MS PowerPoint presentation tool.
Okay.
This is your presentation. You created one presentation. If you like to see that presentation in our product, this is my product. Like this is the import option. You can, if you use this option, you can see that presentation in this presentation tool. That's
So I click browse, locate that file and bring it up.
yes.
So that's like, if I have to give a simplified example, that's like finding a branded foreign cloth inside Big Bazaar.
Yes.
So what is brand? What is branded here and what is Big Big Bazaar is local and branded is like the Levi and the Nike and Reebok stuff.
It's
Good
conversion
one,
of
very
format.
good, very good. thing.
Conversion of one format to another format.
No, I like the way, I just wanted to know how he is handling it and he did a very good job.
Yeah.
Good sir.
Insert. You can insert images, shapes and videos in ZogoShow. First of all, images. You can insert images from web URL, image library, Visaka and
What did you say?
Picasa.
I heard it as Visaka. Vinaka? Picasa.
Picasa. Etc. Everyone know web URL and
Go on, yeah.
but you know what is the image library?
Yes, in ZogoShow I
You don't tell. Nitya is. You tell what is the image library? Do you know?
I think that is already.
does not.
Okay. This image library gives ZogoShow. What is the purpose of image library? If you like to add images in ZogoShow, you use image library to add images in your images in image library. You can access that images using ZogoShow during using ZogoShow. And ZogoShow offers a variety of shapes. You select a shape and you can use that shapes. And video, you can insert embed videos and audios in ZogoShow. Design is so nothing but you can change slide themes and backgrounds and slide setups. Everyone know what is how to change background themes, what is the background, but nobody know slide setup. I will explain that. This is our product. If you like to see this this part of slide like this. Both are different, right? You use slide setup option, you can change the slide view. And transition, Zogosho supported transition and animations. There are some transition, we will see that. There are a lot of type of transition. And transition, you can transition where it's used. Transition is only used for slides. You can't apply the transition in shapes or text. If you like to apply animation in your text and shapes, you can do that. Zogosho gives animation option. You can apply the animation. These are the animation and transition types. Views. Zogosho is views divided by 3 groups: normal view and starter view and master view. And normal view and starter views both are same. Only different is just if you use normal view, you can't see the thumbnails more than 5 thumbnails. But if you use a starter view, you can see more than 5 thumbnails in your presentation. And master view is different of these 2 views. Master, if you want shapes or images in your presentation, all slide, like if you want any common changes in your presentation, use master slide. It's easy to easy to apply the changes in your slides. These changes automatically updated in your slides. Sharing option. You can share your presentation with specific people and publish. You can publish your presentation with external world. If you like to publish your presentation external world, you use external option. And if you like to see your presentation, if you like to share your presentation within your organization, you can do that. That option also gives Zogo Show. And broadcast. You can invite participants to see your presentation. That participant will be able to view your presentation, and that owner of the presentation will control the presentation. Are there any questions?
I have three questions. One, you spoke about image library.
Yes.
Yes. So that library, the images that are available, would it be available just for the user, or would it be available for everyone who uses Zoho Show?
No, users.
It's just for me.
Yes.
So you will not be able to see the images that are there in my web. Would you be able to demonstrate or show how how to use the publish and broadcast option?
Yes. If you like to share your presentation with external world, use external option, click publish. Zogo Show give one URL.
Isn't it the same URL that shows on
Everyone will see the
link
Acts-
that it provides?
yes.
Okay.
If you like to share your presentation within your organization, you can't access that link. Because if you are that organization member, you that only you can access that link.
So why can't I simply say share it with everyone? There's an option to share docs, right? Where you do the spreadsheet and all of that. You have a share option
Yes.
where you can read, write, or just read, co-owner. So why can't I just do
You
that?
can.
So how different is that option from this?
If you share option is specific people.